this one here. Damn, it's hot hitting my steak, guys. I'm burning, man. This is unnormal. Okay, we live personal meeting. Let me see, how do you go live on? Oh, you can go live only on one show. Okay, live streaming. Okay, cool. All right, let's go. Let's start. So it's 4:58. So I'm gonna need some newbie to unmute yourself, and so I can ask you a question. We're gonna be asking questions as we go. My job today is to show you the magic arrow is about to be released to all of you at the same time, even though that some of you have it and doing back testing, which is okay. So that's the whole purpose of it. And I'm getting a lot of feedback, and that's what matters to me. My job is to see you guys to earn pips out of this market. Grab as much as you can. And then I'm gonna show you also as well how the dashboard works. It's pretty neat, pretty straightforward. All right, so let's go. Let me go ahead and press this recording. I think that's how you do it. Let me go here. Let's record this one. Let's go. Let's go. Let me bring my favorite, my favorite dragon, because that's what I like. All right, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. All right, welcome everyone. It's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Welcome to another week. This is our Monday Money Talk Show. For the first time, we are coming here live on Monday. We're gonna be talking about what is coming in the future. And my job is to see you learn how to trade our multiple time frame like a beast. And also I'm getting a lot of messages behind scene. Irvin, when you do your analysis, can you stop showing it on 4 hours, go to the daily and so on? But as you guys know, we trade larger, our multiple larger time frame. Whatever we know is doing on the larger time frame, automatically it has to be doing that in the lower time frame. So we use only our smaller time frame only to enter. Now we don't really worry about what 50 minutes, 30 minutes is doing, and then we're expecting those two time frames to be doing it in 4 hours. That's not how it works. So once again, please never, ever, ever trade with our rules. And let me go ahead and give you the disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader here, trying to learn and teach you how to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market. We are here one family. I want everyone to show my vision, and this show here is to see each and every one of you become a very, very profitable trader. I'm not gonna be selfish and say, oh yeah, because you learn this, you have to do this. No, I want you to change your family, help your neighbor, help whoever you want to help. When the money is no issue, I want you to be a blessed to others. So remember, the market has billions of dollars. So let's get some of that pie and let's change our family forever. All right. So remember, we are here trading with Team with Irvin. If you want to find me on Forex on Facebook, you can find me on Forex USA group as well. Also, I just opened a brand new one, which is called Multiple Time Frames Forex. And here is your key of success. So you want this key or you want the dollar? So let's get the key, because the key is what we need. The dollars we're gonna spend it. But we need the key of success. So this is the Money Monday Talk Show. Welcome, welcome. All right, let's go ahead and start working. All right, let me show you guys, like I said in our previous training before, when you guys have the, I don't know if we have newbies or not, but we're gonna act like we don't, or I don't know what we have here, but whatever it is. So you guys gonna be getting this alert here. It's gonna tell you what kind of signal is going on. This is telling you here on the dashboard, it's telling the Euro JPY, GBP has a signal as a buy, and it tells you that it's on the monthly, and it tell you exactly what it is. Same thing happens with USDC chap. Someone is on mute. Let me mute yourself. Who's that? That's seen. All right, seen. I just unmute you. And same thing, I tell you that USD chest. Someone was posting a comment on that one. There it is. It's tell you that on 4 hour has a buy, but we don't know what's the daily, weekly, and monthly is telling us. Same thing with USD CHF is telling you now it was a buy. That was I don't know what time, 1700 time. I don't know how to read military time, but it's there. So this is good, guys. To be honest, this what I want to show you today is what I don't know what kind of template you guys are going to be using, but in my opinion, you can have two different type of template. You can have the standard template, which is going to be telling you exactly where the brothers and sisters shows up. The signal is going to pop in. Let me go ahead and make a circle because I'm here live on YouTube as well behind scene for the first time doing two things at the same time, and hopefully this won't freeze up. But look at here, where the brothers and sisters come in, with them we're gonna have a signal letting us know, confirming yes, that it's a sell, and boom, the market took off. And same thing happens when the brothers and sisters come in as a buy, the signal give us a confirmation and the market took off. Now, this is why we give credit to Mr. Fernando. Fernando has the one who came up and told us that yes, using this 4 hours as an exit is very, very nice. Because to be honest, we're not paying attention to any lower support and resistance. We're looking for the most obvious support and resistance here. This is amazing, to be honest. So he like to take a break in here, and then he go like, okay, Urban, look at here as we come in right now. A new support has formed on Euro GBP on 4 hours. I don't know what it is. So we're gonna go there. So, but as we going, as we hear live, something came in. So another thing came in right now. Euro JPY has another signal as a buy on the monthly. So it's pretty neat, man. Can you imagine when you have all this stuff coming into your phone, coming into your email, popping up in your chart? It's pretty amazing. But what Fernando likes to do is he likes to re-enter on the market when he see the 4 hours going with his strength. So the because I always tell people, like, if you saw the video that I created today, the money is only when you are trading with the trend, guys. If the market is bearish, only trade bearish market. If the market is bullish, just stick to bullish market. Don't be trading every single movement. And you want to grab money here, you want to grab money here. This is gonna drive you crazy. Just be one-way trader. Whatever they fit you better, stick to that. But this is how you're gonna have the first template. If you like, if you're gonna have, I mean, because unfortunately, when we had the other template, when we put our dashboard, it has to read the brothers and sisters, the signal, so it has to be only on one way. So it cannot be displayed on both ways. So fortunately, you're gonna have to select which one is gonna work better for you. All right, so let me go ahead and, but this is pretty neat. Look at here. Look at here, 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly. This is what I was trying to explain this guy. I was like, dude, we just trade only the larger time frame. Whatever this time frame is telling us the market is doing, believe it or not, the market is bearish on any lower time frame, like it or not. So in here, all this, look at here, the market is bearish. Why would you be going bullish? It makes no sense. But a lot of traders, this is why they're blowing their account. The way how they trade, as we all know, is they're assuming way too much. Look at here. Most likely they're gonna tell me, Irving, the market is going sideways. Look at this. Let's pick Mr. John. Hopefully we don't have no Johns here. But let's say Mr. John tell me, Irving, but the market is giving us a support and resistance here. If the market hit this AA line here, then we're gonna go bullish. If it hit that, no, I don't care about that, man. Look, we just need to know what kind of trader we want to be. If the market is bullish, trade bullish market. The market is bearish, stay with the bearish markets. That's simple. Don't overcomplicate it. And the thing is that you overcomplicate it because you are assuming in way too much, and you guessing. You are guessing what the market is doing here. If I would have picked one of you guys and I say, hey, can you guess what the market is doing here? There is no way. I mean, you can guess, sure, but there's no way you're gonna tell me with more accuracy what the market is doing. So the goal here is to take an educated opinion and become a better trader. Because at the end of the day, we're not gonna be 100% accurate, but we want at least 75% out of 100. And that is a really good profitable trader. All right. So I remember, before I forget, the best time to trade, in my opinion, me, is the New York and the London session. And like I said earlier, this is our Monday Money Talk show. Before I forget, because I have some note here, and we're gonna be learning how to trade our multiple time frame like a pro. We rules, and we need to become our top #1 forex trader here. We need the money. We need the money with rules. All right, so let me make this small, and then we're gonna go to so at least you had this. So this will help you out. It will tell you straight up where's the buy, where's the sell, and so on and so on. Okay, but look at this movement here, so gorgeous. And the benefit of this, guys, is I'm not gonna do the boom movement today, right? But look at here. See the brothers and sisters come in, the signal hit, and here's the MA, boom, it hit that. And look at what happened. Dun, 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 dun. And then it gave us another brothers and sisters here, and boom, it gave us a bullish market. It's bearish. This is easy, guys. Do not overcomplicate it, and don't add more indicator, because at the end of the day, the more stuff you start adding, you need to be simple, guys. Just trade with simple rules and stick to it. If this don't work for you, then this is most likely the business that is not for you. But this is, it will make you pip if you respect the rules. Look at here. Market gave us a buy bullish here. Even the MA meet our perfect signal here. Market went off. This is what Fernando liked. By the way, Fernando, hopefully you get better. We need you back. But this is what he likes. Fernando loved this one. And then he said, Irvin, I like to get out in there. I don't care what the market is going to be doing, but I need my money. Okay, fine. He liked to get out in there, but he liked to re-enter on the confirmation of our next 4 hours and daily. Look at what Fernando does. And then Fernando likes to go with the trend. Look at this beautiful thing here. Boom. Right now, as we speak, this is what the market is doing. The market is giving us a what? Let me see. Let me unmute someone, and then I'm going to put it back to, anyway, there you go. Let me not mute anyone. So let me go on. So here, the market is giving us a bearish market, right? So it's telling us clearly. Look at what the signal is. This is an Euro NCD, right? Right now, as we speak, the market is bearish. It's giving us a signal, brothers and sisters. And the magic arrow come in and say, Irvin, we all are going bearish. What are you doing? Well, that's a good one, because I mean, if everyone is going as bearish, then I have to follow direction, right? If you don't, then you're gonna be out of money. But look at this. You tell me if it's not doing that. This is when simple things come. I was gonna say more than simple thing, the rest of it, but this is not a show. This is our show here. But look at what this brothers and sisters come in with a sell. You tell me if it, look, it's selling, guys. It's dropping. Look, it meet our MA line. It's dropping. It's dropping. I don't see any signal yet to get out. This is what Fernando loved. Fernando loved, like I said earlier. He said, Irvin, as soon as let's say this arrow here, the 4 hours arrow, wouldn't be popping up in here. He loved to get out here, grab his money, walk away, go enjoy his family, whatever he has to do. And then he liked to re-enter on the next 4 hours arrow coming with the trend. That's what the money is. Look, this is what he loved. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. He ignored all these bad guys here. This is bad business here. Yeah, sure, you can make money, but that is your rule. I don't trade against. Against is bad business. But the money is here. You tell me if it's not doing it. Look, we are live for now. This thing don't lie, guys. And remember, sometime check the news. Whatever the news are gonna be doing, things will go on this other side of the aisle. At least we have an educated opinion. We will never ever hit 100% in here. If someone tell you the market is whatever they're gonna be doing, it's gonna be 100%, they're gonna be lying to you, because that's impossible. That's impossible. It's never gonna happen. All right, so this is the first template. Now let me go ahead and show you the second template. and that will be your decision what you want to do. So, I mean, at least I'm going to give you one, and then you're going to choose the second one. What I like about the other one is that it's going to tell you, I think it's this one here, master trend. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Look at here. Oh, I forgot to remove what's his name? The Fibonacci line. But look at here. Boom, the dashboard come in. It said on Euro JPY has a buy signal on the monthly. So if you go here, look at here, it's telling us it's a clear, the monthly has a signal. Look at this. Look at it match, guy. Pay attention to this one. Because I don't want anyone to say, oh, but you didn't teach me that. Look at that. It says that it has the monthly on 122.74 Euro GBP. Euro GBP is giving us, look at the monthly, it's giving us a fresh 1 bar telling us the market is bearish. You want to check? All right, let's go. Let's go. Look, all you got to do is click on the monthly. You can click on the monthly, you can click on the weekly, you can click on the week, on the daily, 4 hour, even you can click on the pair. Anywhere you want, the market will take you exactly only where you want to go. All right, you want to see 1 hour, 1 month, right? All you got to click is on the monthly, and then the pair will take you and transfer you all the way to the monthly. All right, let me go ahead and delete this error here. Hopefully this thing don't freeze up. But I mean, that's what it is, guys. All you got to do is click on it, and then, but look at here, this is what I wanted to show you guys. When I just click on the monthly, right? You saw me clicking on the monthly, nothing else. So you have to click OK on this one, or either click the X so all this can get away. Look, I just entered as a backtest. This is my demo account. But look, I just entered based on the rules before we log in, because I was getting this one anyway. And look, it's only 2.9 pips. But to be honest, a lot of people need only what? They need 10 pip. 10 pip can change your life forever, guys. Real. I'm not lying. 10 pip can change you forever. And sometimes some of you are on 50, 60, 100, even more pips. That is insane, man. Some people don't even get that. Come on, this thing don't want to move on now. But the downside here is the brothers and sisters will not tell you that it's a buy or sell. So you're gonna be working with one. Either you're gonna use only the magic arrow, or either you're gonna be using the dashboard. But at least you're gonna be able to see all your 4 time frames going in the same direction. Why is this not moving? Piss me off. Just bear with me, guys. All right, so Mr. Baldeck, you want to unmute yourself? Want to ask some questions? Damn, it's hot in here.
Hi, Irving. Hi, team. How's everybody doing?
Good, man. I'm excited to hear about this one. Hopefully this thing hurry up and move on, because every time I come in and it frees up. But anyway, hopefully you do like what you're seeing. What I like about the dashboard is you can click on anywhere and it will tell you in there. But I have a lot of pairs open here, and that's what is causing all those issues, and I do understand. But the signal is telling that the market is bearish, and look, that's why it's telling that it's coming down. But this is very straightforward. And do you have any question regarding this one?
No, I don't have a question. The slide you are on, it's a monthly slide, so obviously it will not show the lower time frames.
Right.
So you have to be in the 4 hours, because our strategies, it's a top-down strategy, monthly, weekly, and daily in 4 hours. So you are in the highest time frame. I don't have any questions. I would like to have team, have asked questions, or whatever. One question. The perfect entry. I know the signals come, and then the arrows can move, because they're all based on price action and moving averages. So what is your suggestion how to enter, instead of going 30, 40, 50 pips against us? What do you think is the best way to enter,
I mean, the thing is, we haven't educated a decision. We don't know, to be honest, and I'm not gonna say, okay, this is it, this is the entry 100%. It's not gonna happen. But look at here, when we start on this one, This one has only two pips. Look at right now. We are in the bad time of trading, guys. This is sitting here. Look, only sitting is open. This is worse. But look at here. This thing is a beast, guy. This is a beast. But answering your question is like, at least we have an educated trade where we took it. So how far it's gonna pay us, I don't know. I don't think no one in this business would be able to tell you. Even if they tell you a lie, don't just believe. Just run away from that guy, man, because this is not gonna be true. But that's what it is. But look at here, the 4 hours is telling you otherwise. It's contradicting. But who control? Actually, oh, look at this beautiful thing. Look at this beautiful thing, Mr. Baltic. Look at here. This is now, hopefully this answered the question. I know that person will be watching our video, but hopefully this answered your question, whoever that person was. We like Mr. Baltic said. Can you explain that phrase again? How we analyze the market, Mr. Baltic?
No, how to make a perfect entry, how to make a perfect entry. Because if you look at the arrows, when these arrows came out, look at this stuff right below or above the green box, right? The green box of the no retracement zone. And
Right.
then there is two arrows in the middle, and it's on June 19th. There is a green and a purple arrow. So this arrow has moved maybe 3 or 4 spots, because this arrow was somewhere else. If you go above like a little bit, an arrow was there, and this has moved because it's below the support and resistance level. But my
Right.
question is how to make a perfect entry. How can we avoid to enter exactly right there, right there, instead of there, enter where the arrows were. So that's my question. There has to be something else. This is a great system. Trust me, I have the research I've done. I freaking do back testing 14, 15 hours a day, and but this is the best system. So I'm not trying to make it look better or worse, but this is the best system. People need to trust the judgment and follow, because yeah, the trade might go against you 30, 40, 50, 60 pips, but in long term, in like a week, in 4 days, 5 days, the trade will come back and will go in the direction you took the trade in. So, I believe in it 100%.
Right.
This system is top notch, and it freaking works.
Awesome. Awesome. All right. So based on the question, this is the best thing that I can come up with. Since, okay, let's say you can ignore the first movement. You can say, okay, I got a signal here. Everyone is telling me I'm going bullish. I'm not gonna do anything. So I'm gonna wait for that signal to go and retest our next 4 hours, our next support and resistance. From there, obviously, you're going against. No, I'm sorry, you're going with the trend. So this, Mr. Baltic, what is this represent here?
This
This
is
area
a
here.
this is a pullback.
Yes, correct. So anyway, you got no business to be doing anything in here. You know that. So now where you can enter, this is why Mr. Fernando loved. The Fernando loved to go to trade only with the trend. He said, Irvin, I don't care. I want to grab my money and walk away. Look at what happened. He loved to get out exactly when he see the arrow with the 4 hours. He loved to get out here. What happened if you wouldn't follow rules, right? So let's say you would have said, you know what, forget what Irvin is teaching me. It took you forever to earn this 100 whatever pips are in here, and all suddenly the market reversed it because you knew the market was reversing, and it took all your money out and it still put you in negative. You are not in this business for that. So grab your money, walk away. That's it. That's simple. In my opinion, is just wait when the signal come in. Usually, this is what is going to happen. Exactly what is happening right now. Pay attention. What is going to happen is first, it's going to give you all the time frames in there. It's going to give you, look at right now. It's telling you the brothers and sisters showed up, right? But we're not seeing any dots yet, any line telling us, okay, let's go and let's go sell. Obviously, we know it's a sell, but if you want to be more conservative trade and say, you know what, Irvin, I would like to wait more. Sure, you can wait for 1 or 2 arrow once it form, and then you go down. But look at as we speak right now. When we start the show here, look, the signal come in. And if you go down, look at that. Boom, we hit that. And now we got extra confirmation. Why is this going in our favor? Because we are trading. We are most amazing multiple time frame that exists on MT4. That's why. And look, we are trading the worst time of the market, but this is just to show you. But the benefit here, look at the monthly is telling us here the market is bullish. Look, the 4 hours contradicting. When you guys see this fade out in here, guys, because I know you guys will be asking me, when you see this fade out here, the numbers on your dashboard, that is a all signal. It's too late. Nothing on it. Even the weekly is telling that it's too late. You don't see the weekly here. Do you see it? No. This is what it's reading right now. It's too late here. It's reading the all stop. So yes, only the 4 hours telling it's going with the trend. 4 hours, yeah, it just become all. Just by 1 bar, it make a little bit all. Because we want to see the numbers to be 5 out of 5. Anything that is below 5, you see, the first number that you're gonna see here is your candles. And then the parenthesis here is gonna be your pips. See, 1 bar, and it has 153 movement already, 153 pips. That's a lot, guys. That's a lot. So that's why we're seeing that small retracement. Maybe it's just bouncing a little bit from the monthly, but it's there. So this, but the downside on this one is when we give you this, you will not have both things at the same time. You're not gonna have the sell here, neither the buy. Either you're gonna have to choose which kind of template you want to be in. You want to be in trading with the, at least you can go back both way. Take a look at it, what my dashboard is telling me. Let me take a look at it. Boom, you're done. Then you go back to your original one. But anyway, once you master the color, then you're done. This is very straightforward. This is absolutely, this is ridiculous easy to follow, guys. If you can understand this, I don't know what else I'm gonna be able to do for you.
Say, Mr. Irving.
Yes, sir.
Where'd the magenta arrows come from?
Magenta is this is the magic arrow. I'm gonna give it to you guys in first week of August, but this is what is coming. So I just wanted to get you ready what to expect. But the magenta is gonna have the buy and sell. This is gonna be a sell. Let me go to the other template. Look, when we go to the other template, it's gonna look at what it tells us here. Let me make this smaller.
That's a brother and sister.
Brothers and sister coming, but now it has the name on it. It tells you it's a sell. So instead of you looking for the brothers and sisters, automatically it's telling you in there, oh, hey, I'm a sell. Hey, I'm a buy. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Look at what's going on right now. Is it doing it? You're seeing it. We live. Look, this 7 pips is a lot of money for a lot of you guys. And look, one thing is you can just walk away, grab your 70 bucks, walk away, and done deal. But this is what you're gonna be doing. This is neat, man. This is neat. And it's coming. So you will love it. All right. So any other question for you?
No, sir.
All right. So let's go in order. We got KP. KP raised his hand. KP, what's your question?
What's up, man? What's going on?
What's going on, buddy?
Everything is good, brother. Listen, so I came to the meeting late. I'm still here at work, but I see that dashboard. So you're saying that we're going to have access to that dashboard coming up also?
Yes, sir. Everything will be handing out to you guys.
Okay, so we'll have this magic arrow
As well.
sometime in August, and then we can go back and forth between that and the dashboard.
Yeah, what I want you guys to do is have one template with the magic arrow. Obviously, put everything like the way how you have it right now, but add the magic arrow on it. which that's just signal that it's gonna trigger. Instead of you looking for it, it's gonna pop up in front of your eyes. If you can't miss that, if you can't rebuy and sell, that's crazy. But it's gonna be there. That's one template. The next template that you're gonna add will be your dashboard. So at least you can check what one is doing versus the other ones. But you, because the buy and sell, it will be removed if you add the dashboard. It has to be one of the other.
Okay, I saw some of it, but I guess there'll be some lessons on how to read the dashboard also, right?
Yeah. We're gonna do live. This is, look, we're just getting ready. If you look, my job is to get you to the to you become a profitable trader. That is my vision. My vision is to one day hear from you guys. Oh, you know, we're doing great in this group, and that's it. That's all I'm here about. And because, like I always say, you know, it's not gonna get rich out of you guys. There's no way. Market is the one who's gonna make us rich. The market is paying us 10 times, 10, 15 times our salary, whatever place we work. So that's where the money is. They got billions of dollars in there. Look as we speak, 8.5 pip, boom, you can get out. This thing is a beast, man. Any other question? But you will get it. You will get it. We're gonna do more live session. Most likely, we're gonna meet on Monday. We're gonna do a Monday talk show. We can do our Tuesday talk show. We can call the Monday talk show, Tuesday talk show. My job is to get you there. Yeah. But to be honest,
will we be doing any of the training or the classes that you're talking about? Will they be done like during the day? When you know?
Like you mean in the morning?
Yeah.
I haven't thought about it. Because I mean, I don't know. I haven't thought about it. I like in the evening where everybody get off from work, because some people work, some other don't. But either way will be fine with me.
Yeah, I know, but you know, during this time the market is just slow though. Like,
yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it.
No problem. No problem. All right, so we go to Dahl. Dahl, it's your turn now.
Can you please bring up the dashboard on EJ again?
Sure, let me bring the dashboard. Always click OK. If you don't, nothing will pop up, because it's reading a lot of data behind scene.
Okay. Now on EJ, EJ says the monthly is saying that there's a green, so that means it should be pointing up.
Right.
I'm seeing here on your chart, right, your 4-hour chart right now, your master trend is saying it's going down.
No, this is not the master trend here is, let's go there. It's one candle that is going up. Look here, it's coming down. See that candle here? This is the candle that is ready. The master trend is bearish.
Okay.
Damn, this went up to 10 pips. Then it came back. But yeah, but look, the one means one candle. One candle is ready. We need to see this under 5. Anything over 5 is late. This 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 is good. Look at this one. USD JPY is selling 5 candles down. Is telling us the market is bearish. Look, and then the rest are late. The daily, weekly, and monthly, they're all late. See that candle here? This is what is ready.
Okay.
This is dope, actually, bro. This is really dope.
Thank you, man. You guys will love it, man. This is neat. The thing, believe it or not, the way how I teach this is I teach it with passion. This is it, man. I love this one. And whatever question you may have, the good thing about you guys is in the group is you guys know too much, man. You guys are well educated. You guys understand everything. The way how you guys ask the question and answer and help others is just simply amazing. Sometimes I just look back and I say, oh my God, these guys are great. And look, the challenge, there was a challenge. Someone threw a challenge in there. Damn, everybody kicked the challenge off, man. We were up the hook today. And today is only Monday. But hopefully this answer your question on the monthly is reading one candle. Always pay attention to the number. You always want to see it below 5. All right. When you see all those 3, 3, 3, 3, that's good. Look at this one. It's almost late. 5 out of 69. So that's 69 pips. That's a lot of pips. All right.
Also, the parentheses is pips. Okay.
Yes, the parentheses, the pips. But you're gonna, that's what I'm saying. I want you to have both options. Just don't depend. If you, some of you guys will not like the dashboard. It's fine, but at least you're gonna, I know for a fact you're gonna love the magic arrow. With the magic arrow, tell you what's going on. Because it's not for everyone. Whatever works best for you. Look at that, brothers and sisters. Boom, boom. Oh my goodness. All right, good. Any other question? Jason.
Hey, Irvin, how you doing, sir?
Hey, buddy. What's going on?
Everything's good. I was just curious. You said you're gonna have this available the first week of August, you said?
Yes, sir.
How do I get to be a part of it?
Are you new here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So first thing first is send me a message offline, and then we'll wrestle this together.
Okay.
All right, so I don't know if any newbies are watching us here for the first time and they want to get your hands on this one. Send me a private message behind scene, and then we go over. But this is nice, dude. This is nice. But welcome anyway. Make sure you subscribe and like this. Oh, let me bring that up. I always like to do it, guys. And I'm forgetting, man. I need to do it. Hey, if you are finding value, what you're seeing right now, give me a thumbs up. If you think, hey, Irvin, you need to improve your magic arrow, let me know as well, because I'm here to help you out. All right. So we talk behind scene, Jason.
All right.
All right. What about HB72? What's your question?
What's up, Irvin? This is Harold Greer. How you doing today?
Mr. Harold, that's right. You got
Man, I'm gonna tell you something, brother. You got something going on here. I'm just so glad to be here because I've been in your class, and I mean, I enjoy everything you teach it. And this is gonna be on point. Just the stuff you sent us a couple of weeks ago has increased my game 50-60% already. So I can't imagine having this magic arrow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just want, I mean, everything that you got out there, I'm trying to get in, stay in the classes and learn, because I mean, you make it so simple that it's just, if you don't win with this, you ain't got no business in the game.
Right.
You know?
This is simple, man.
Yes.
You know, the only thing you're gonna stay simple in this business is please don't add a whole bunch of indicator. Please don't do that.
No, you taught me that already. Don't add nothing to my screen. I don't have nothing but what you set me up on, and that's how I run.
Yeah, that will make you very, very, because, and one thing, guys, someone asked me, Irvin, you know, I want to help everyone equally here. Someone asked me, Irvin, can you set up the multiple time frame on my computer? Fine, but they have all the candles fade out. Please don't do that, guys. Look, you are trading with TeamWithERVING. Please don't do that, because if you have fade out all the candles, you don't have no idea what bullish is. You don't know what bearish is. 6 months from today, let me make this bigger. 6 months from today, you will not know which of this candle is bullish or bearish. If your kids come, or your daughter, or whoever, your grandson, ask your daddy or grandpa, what are you doing? Guess what your answer is gonna be? I don't know.
I don't know.
That's right. Exactly what is gonna happen. Learn how to read reality, real time. This is bearish, this is bullish, this is bearish, this is bullish. This is a bullish candle. It went up and then it got rejected, fine. But now we're in a downtrend. This is bullish, this is bearish. Because look, because yes, they say, Irvin, I love everything you have here. But what's the purpose of me giving you the arrow here when you ignoring the reality? This is reality here. Look at here. Arrow come in as a bearish. We know it was bearish, but don't ignore the most important things here. This is bearish. Learn how to read this stuff. Exactly how it appears on the market. Because I don't want to assume I don't want you to depend 100% and say, you know what, this is what is telling us I'm gonna go blindly and take that trade. No, you need to understand market is bearish. You need to go bearish, but have a vision how things work in reality, real time.
And you know, once you figure that out, stay with the trend, life gets simple after that.
It's that simple, man.
Yeah, it gets simple. Man, I tell you what, I'm loving it, boy. I'm with you all the way.
That's good. And look, let me, I know we are live on YouTube as well. I went live, but let me go and show you how this thing is a beast, man. Like, think this is no, this is not it. Let's go to US peso. Look at what I gave you guys on Sunday. I said on Sunday the market was still it was gonna drop. Look, market is doing the drop right now, and then the market was gonna go up. Right now it's doing exactly what I told you. Even we go to Euro GBP. But here on Euro GBP, I gave you with the dashboard. Look, I told you guys the market was bearish. Look at that. Now look at who just came in here. If I had to reanalyze the market right now as we speak, but most likely I'm gonna see the pullback retest in this area here, 23 to our 38 Fibonacci. And just today is just Monday. And remember, guys, these are not signals. A lot of you guys that don't trade with multiple time frame use as a signal, you do whatever you want, but this is not signal. We just have a rule how we trade stuff here. And let me tell you, the world here is when I do my YouTube videos, if you think this is amazing, because I'm giving you every single movement what the market is doing, but my team behind scene, they know what they need to be trading and they know when they need to stay away. But here I'm giving you every single movement because anyway, it's free. But let's pay attention what USD JPY is doing. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I'm telling you, man, this is a beast. Look at that. I told you the market was not ready. And it's just dancing in that area. But I told you market was gonna be bullish. This is real. We are in the reality now. Look at what who was this? CHF JPY. Look at what I told you. I said the market was gonna be bearish. Look at what the market is doing. Oh my goodness. I just gave you what? 1, 2, 3, like five so far, 4 pairs that I gave you analyzed it on Sunday. But this is it. This is top notch, man. I'm telling you. If you are finding this better off somewhere else, stay there. But this is it. Your ending funding is over. Look at this one. AUD Canadian. Look, brothers and sisters come in. Even look at this beautiful Mr. Harold. Tell the world what does this represent here. Hold on. Let me bring the arrow. What does this arrow represent here?
That's a pullback.
But it represents our weekly.
Oh, weekly. Yeah, your weekly.
Look, now we got the 4 hours telling the market is bearish. Look, it's just dancing. This is the worst time to be trading. But look, the market is doing exactly what I'm telling you. No, this is going with a trend. This one broke our monthly. This pullback here, Mr. Harold, broke our monthly. Always pay attention because a lot of you guys send me messages too and say, Irving, what happened? It broke the monthly. Look, because it was reading this data here, right?
Right.
It was reading this data here. Market was bearish. We knew the signal said it was a sell. So I can't hide this. And then this is the pullback you're telling me. And then we went back on that pullback. We were still in a pullback, and bam, it broke the your monthly time frame.
Right.
And then people start saying, Irving, well, what's going on? The monthly has got, dude, what is this representing? It's a pullback. Now we have a new high on support and resistance. The new high on support and resistance is telling the market is bearish. What is going to happen on August? In August, the month is going to pop up in here. It's going to give us a brand new 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly, all coming down in one single direction. And that is going to be a bearish market. This is straightforward. This is the dashboard. You want to play the dashboard? The dashboard will read every single movement of the 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly. It's going to be there. So that's why I want you guys to pick which one you want to be in. You want to do both, fine. Either way is fine. But at least you're going to have both at the hand of, in the palm of your hand and say, okay, let me take a look at it. This one. Let's say some of you will not understand how the dashboard works. It's fine. Don't worry about it. At least you know how to read all the data. The goal here is to make this a lot simpler. Simple, 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 simple. I want this to be simple to the world where no one can say, Irvin, I don't know what buy is. I don't know what sell is. Come on. But it's going to be there. All right, Mr. Harold, thank you. Thank you for your question. Appreciate that. And stay tuned. So let's.
Oh, man. Thanks a lot. I appreciate everything you're doing for us, brother.
No problem. Thank you, sir. All right, next one is K2.
Now, which is the daily arrow?
The daily is the white.
I thought that's weekly.
Oh, the daily. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Yeah, it is the daily is here. Let me get my tool. Is together inside of the magic arrow. You see, you barely see it in there. You see that?
Okay. Yeah.
So, but you see the color here? What color is your yellow?
Okay.
I mean, what color is your yellow? What color is your daily? It's yellow.
Okay.
Daily. Look, 4 hours daily. Here was a cap of the weekly and monthly. But look at what's going on right now as we speak. 4 hours daily and weekly. So this monthly is gonna form here. And then that's why we're seeing the market dropping. See that 4 hours in there right now?
Right.
4 hours telling the market is coming down. It's coming slowly. Obviously, we know this is bad business, but it's there. It's very straightforward. But this one will help you. So let's say you are a bit confused. Let me make this smaller. Let me delete this.
Isn't monthly down already according to this blue arrow?
It just broke the monthly. The pullback. There was a news event here.
Okay.
You see how the golfing candle were coming in? Seller was trying to push and doom, and went back up. And then all suddenly it dropped like crazy. Bam! But yes, but we know. I think the group are on this one as well, if I'm not mistaken. But there's money in there. But this is a good trade, to be honest.
Hello, Harry.
Yes, sir. Let me finish with K2. K2, any other question?
Yeah, so the magenta is a totally separate thing other than it has nothing to do 4 hour daily or weekly or monthly.
That's gonna be the other signal that is gonna trigger on your chart that is gonna tell you, okay, it's gonna confirm. It's the brothers and sisters, to be honest. Look at that. Brothers and sisters come in, and then your magic arrow. Now the magic arrow is gonna have it in writing. It's gonna tell you I'm a sell or either I'm a buy.
Okay, so that decides the direction.
You got it. You already know anyway by seeing it.
Right. We expect 4 hours. As any of those arrows are telling you it is going down there.
Right. Good. Thank you. Any other question for you?
That's good for now.
Okay, good. All right. Who's the next person?
Albert.
Hey, Albert. What's going on, buddy? What's your question?
Yeah, just 2 questions.
Your phone is cutting off. Yeah, it went off.
How do we determine the trend from the chart?
I'm sorry, we didn't hear your question.
I said, how do I get the trend?
Well, you need to, are you new here?
Yes.
Okay, so talk to me offline. So basically the way how we trade here is we like to trade our higher multiple time frame. We like to trade 4 hours daily, weekly, monthly. Based on what we see in here, we take the trade on any of the lower time frame. But this one we have, guys, whoever is new here, if you guys want to see some one-on-one, go to the join membership on YouTube. There are some videos in there that I'm recorded with all the traders. Usually I charge for that class. Now, if you join, you can take a look at it. That will teach you, Albert. If you take a look at that, those one-on-one that I did with other students, that will answer all your question. But if I go with detail on that one, because that is very basic, that takes over 1 hour, to be honest, to get you into the ribbon. Right now, we're just going all the people that have already done this. This is just more in advance, but we're looking, because we have a terminology here where we see the brothers and sisters, we pop in. Brothers and sisters, we go back on the other side. But we have rules here. I mean, when I do the live session on Saturday and Sunday, I'll give you everything you see here. But like, because I mean, it's free. But when I teach you guys behind scene, we got rules to trade. There's some things that you trade, some things that you don't. But talk to me offline, so, but because it takes time, to be honest, to go through it. Any other question, guys? Because I think today has been a very, very blessing day. And I want you guys to realize what you want to do. But it's coming. We are going to be making more videos. Let me check what the chat room is saying. I totally ignored that. How many people are you seeing between arrow? It's not about pip. It's like how long you want to bid. Some of you, look, this is a very complicated question, because what I had learned throughout the years, even by teaching people as well, is a lot of you guys, the question here, how many pips are you seeing between arrow? It's very difficult to tell you, because some of you traders has tons of money in their account, and they just want 1 to 1 or 2% of their account. Some others say, Irvin, I want to grab only 20 pip, 50 pip, and I'm out. Some others want to leave it from brothers and sisters to the next brothers and sisters. Some others just want to let it run and say, you know what, I'm a monthly trader. I just want to enter on July. I want to exit on August. So it's very difficult to answer that question. The answer is, I don't know. I don't know what kind of trader you want to be in. My job is, when what we teach behind scene is, we are one-way trader. Personally, myself, I like to enter on the market on Mondays after the New Year session open, because that was the question that they come in and ask. What's the time frames that you like to trade? My time frame that I like to trade is the New York and London. But I like to enter after all the news has happened. Usually I wait between 9 to 9:30, and then I'm in. And then I like to exit on Friday between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. because usually the market will die after 12 p.m. But I like to exit in that time, because sometimes I have things to do. So, but I know that's my agenda. All right. So hopefully that answers your question. If you run from arrow to arrow on your chart, yeah, I mean, it's up to you how many pips you want. Mark, it's very difficult, because you can look, if you are trading here bearish, right? Look at right now, the market is giving us a bearish position as we speak right now, right? So what you can do, what Fernando does, I don't know if you knew, it seems like you are new here, but look, we got another senior trader here. He loves to trade between going only with the trend, where he see the next cycle exit here, he'd like to get out. If he don't, he's gonna say, Urban, no, the market is gonna retrace and they're gonna put me in negative. Why would I do that? I would like to enter on a continuation of what we trade. So it's all about rules. Keep it simple. But your question is good, and that is, I think, your question is, it goes to many other traders who ask the same question as well. But hopefully I answer your question. All right, 16 gig RAM laptop. Oh, I don't know about that. Let's not talk about computer. All right, so all right, that's it. Any other one? Let me see. Okay, Terrace. Who else? Let's do one last question. Let's pick a new one. No, you already went too. But go ahead, ask. So let's close with you.
The AUD CAD is a sell then?
Oh, I don't know. This one, right? USD Canadian?
No, AUD CAD.
AUD. I don't have it in order.
You were just on it.
Oh, sorry. I didn't even know I was on it. All right, cool. Yes, it is.
It's a sell.
Yeah. But remember, this is not signal, right? But yeah,
No,
yeah,
it's go by our rules.
Yeah. So the what's in the Mark? Look, he is on my team. He knows what he's doing. Look, automatically he told us what the market is doing. And all I have to do is say yes. He's right. It's because you have to understand. Go, guys, join the Go membership. There is some one-on-one. Even if you don't want to grab the triple arrow, it's fine. That will help you to become a better trader in the world. Because you're gonna separate yourself from many other traders. And please, you're gonna see it in there. And I want you to stop seeing the market this way. All right, let me ask you, KB, look at here. If you would have to explain this one to the world, how will you explain this one here?
I have to know which direction we are going, which is up. I guess the green, the trend line is up.
Look, guys. Look, how can you disagree with him? How can you disagree with him? This is the way how you guys seeing it. And worse, some of the traders are looking at the market even like that. I'm telling you, we trade with rule. Here, this is TeamWithERVING. We trade with rule. Look at this one. Oh my God, this is a mess. Even if we go to reality, and I like to teach people real time. Look at all these bonds here. This is what I create the indicator, because I didn't want you to be working in all this hard work here. I want you to understand and say, okay, bing, 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 bing. And we know buyers don't have strength. What is going to happen next is going to happen what he just told us. Irving, the market is bearish. That's all I can think of it. If you guys think any otherwise, or you have a different software, you tell me. Let's challenge ourselves.
We have a support, the monthly support, which was like, will that become a support now, that monthly resistance?
Yeah, but remember, this was the pullback broker, which is fine. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen here and there. It's normal. It's because of the news. That's what I always tell everyone: stay away from the news.
So monthly arrow came a lot earlier. The blue arrow came a lot earlier.
Yeah. What is gonna happen here is this guy here will move here.
Okay.
So, but at least we are ahead of the game.
Yeah, it takes a while for that to move. So
you're right. What you just told me right now is right. You're right. And look at this, guys. I remember when I took this trade, I will not lie, because I've been watching this pair for a very long time. So I entered somewhere in here, and I grabbed all this freaking money here. Boom! And I said, you know what? Enough is enough. I knew it was going to be a retracement because the drop was so heavy. And thanks God I got out. I entered this morning in here. I think I'm like 1 or 3 pips, something like that. But either I can just close it, walk away with my 30, 40 bucks. It's money, right? Well, that's what we're here for. But at least, I want to be patient. My stop loss, and one thing that nobody is asking me, to be honest, where should I put my stop loss? Always put your stop loss above your brothers and sisters, to be honest. Put it somewhere in here. Give it at least 20 to 30 pips. If the market spike up, boom, and almost hit that, you're not going to be out. You're still in the game. Same thing would have happened here. See, brothers and sisters come in, give it 20 to 30 pips. You would have put your stop loss in there. Same thing that happens in here on the buy position. And damn, today we talk only about one pair. But anyway, I'll show you on the reality of the other ones. But this is good. This is good. I think we are live on YouTube, man. And I totally forgot. But anyway, whoever is watching us on YouTube, we are here with my team behind and all this, all the private sessions. So hopefully you guys join the Go membership if you want to see the one-on-one. Anyway, it's worth it. 39 bucks, worth it. People have paid already 150 to get trained. You get it for 39 bucks. All right, guys. So thank you. This is coming. I'm very excited. Everyone is gonna get it. You guys gonna get first your magic arrow, and then I'm gonna be giving you, most likely, I want you to test one by one. I want you to work out with your magic arrow, and then whenever you guys feel like you guys are ready, say, Irvin, I want to get the dashboard now. Let's go. But I don't want you to be working on both at the same time. I want you to be like a baby step, one thing at a time. Then you move to the next one. Because at the end of the day, in my opinion, you guys will love this better. You guys will love this better. I'm gonna give you both, sure. No, that's no problem with me. But I just know what kind of traders you guys are. This is it. This is gonna be. But some of you will love the dashboard because all the answers will be there. But we already know just by seeing this, we know what's going on. All right. All right, let me see. Last question here. Thank you, Connie said. Thank you. No problem, Connie. So thank you again for coming in. All right, so thank you guys so much. And let me bring one of my favorite guy here before we leave, which is who do you think it is, Mr. K2? My exit show. It's gonna be
the dragon.
There you go. All right, guys. So thank you again. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Irvin.
No problem. All right, how do I exit this? All right, quit.